Hey everyone, Chris Callaway here with Callaway Classics. Doing a quick lot walk today for you. Show you what we got for sale, what's new and what's upcoming. Outside we've got two cars. This one is my 1960 Ford Ranch Wagon, two-door, patina rat rod. A lot of people think it's bringing down the property value, but I like it. Over here is a 1994 Toyota Supra twin turbo. Neither one of these cars are for sale. They're just out here for decoration and conversation starters to get people interested in the building. Speaking of both buildings we've got here, they were built in 1915. Previously been the longest continuously operated Ford dealership in America, and we opened up in 2021. And now we buy and sell classic cars and some Japanese cars from the 90s, and also trucks and newer specialty vehicles. So taking a look inside here, this is our office / showroom. So over here in the corner, we've got a set of 1971 Honda 70s. And then this car is for sale. This is on our website. This is a 1971 Chevy Camaro 396 Super Sport, 4-speed M22 Rock Crusher. Numbers matching, motor and trans. It's documented with a window sticker, but really well restored. Redone in its original placer gold color. And then over here, this car is not for sale, but it is a really neat car to have on display. It's a 1971 Mustang 429 Super Cobra Jet, Mach 1. And then over here on the left, we got a few mini bikes. The mini bikes are not for sale. They're just little collector pieces we have sitting around. And then over here, we got a 1965 Porsche 356C. Someone's put a deposit down on this car, so it is sale pending, but it's a little bit outside of our norm here. It's probably the only European car we've had, but it's a pretty neat car. And then this car just got in. This is probably going to be listed on Bring a Trailer. This is a 1990 Buick Reatta. Also a little out of the norm for us, but it is a 7,000 mile car. Beautiful specimen, really well taken care of. This is a locally owned car. Someone bought brand new, only about 20 minutes from us. So I know it's not for everyone, but it's a neat little piece. And then taking a look outside, we've got two cars out here. Both of these cars, they're not for sale yet, but we're just getting them ready for sale. This is a 1965 Mustang Convertible. It's a C code, so 289 two-barrel car. Really nice color combo, tan top, tan interior with the burgundy. It's a 4-speed, which is really nice. It's had power steering on it, and it has front disc brakes. Overall, a really nice driver condition car. It's not perfect, but it's actually in pretty good shape. Looks like it has the original floors underneath. It's got a lot of things going for it. And someone put the GT rear valance, the dual exhaust on the back as well. It's got a little bit of a newer radio in it, so some newer tunes. Power top works, everything's great on it. Just got a few things, get it cleaned up, and it'll be a few weeks, but it'll be on the market soon. And then over here is another one that we're getting ready to put on the market. It's a 1970 Plymouth Road Runner. Really pretty car. It's a 383 4-speed, so it's a pretty fun car. Pick this one up because you just don't see these very often. And just like the Mustang, it's not perfect, but it's a really nice driver. It's got a lot of nice things going for it. It has power steering, air conditioning car. And yeah, just neat all around. Let's head on over inside real quick. All right, so at the Ford dealership, this used to be the service bays. Now we've turned it into a showroom. And we have a lift in here where we'll work on some of the cars to get them ready for sale. But I'll just run through these real quick. So we've got a 2003 Cobra. This is on our website currently. It's for sale. It has just a little over 1,300 miles. We are actually the original owner. Have all the documentation, all the paperwork, all the goodies that go with it. Yeah, just a neat car overall. And if you know anything about it, it's a, like I said, 2003 Cobra, so it's the 03, 04 Terminator series with that motor in it. 1957 Nomad, this is on our website as well. A little outside of our norm as far as custom paint jobs go, but it's just a phenomenal paint job. Really high quality craftsmanship, whoever painted this car. And then over here, we got a 1968 Mustang. This is not for sale. This is just a car we've had for a while that's here on display. It has, it's a pretty badass car. It's got a 427 stroker in it. It is a factory S-Code 390. Have the original 390 at home. It's a 4-speed for all the fun. This is a 2000 Bentley. This is something that's going to be on the market soon. This is the Mulliner edition. So it's a wider body, single turbo. Just a little bit of an oddball for us, but it is a pretty neat car. And this is a 1967 Mustang Fastback Restomod, not for sale. These two, actually this and the Torino, just happen to be here for display. They're getting out of here soon, but they're just neat cars to look at. This black car, the Mustang, is a Restomod. It's got a Roush 427 in it. Coilover suspension. Still has all the original metal on it though. No one cut the shock towers, none of that nonsense. So it's got a 5-speed in it, 4-link rear suspension, all kinds of fun stuff. And then this is a 429 GT Torino, 1970. It's got the hideaway headlights. A lot of neat things with it. And then this car is a 1963 Ford Galaxie convertible, factory 406, 4-speed, still has its original interior. This is something that's not for sale yet, but will be for sale in the future. Also has factory 3-deuce carburetor setup. And then over here is, last but not least, our 1989 Mustang Fox body. Not for sale on the market currently, but it will be soon. Just 6,300 miles on it, so a real nice time capsule if that's what you're looking for, one of those cars. So that is the nickel tour. So if you got anything you want to see more details of, just reach out and let us know. And almost forgot about the other truck outside. This is our 1990 Ford F-150 with just 46,000 miles on it. Pretty neat truck. It looks really good without the camper top on it. So I've got a few photos of that on our website. But this is currently for sale. It's a 4x4, really nice clean truck overall. It's got the 351 Windsor, the 5.8 liter. Air conditioning, power steering. I mean, it's an XLT Lariat, so it's fully loaded for that year. So, and that's the last thing.